All right, grandkids. Mumsy's here at the Peachy Pig, and we've got a bunch of farm equipment here. I don't have anyone to give me a tour, so I don't really know what it is. That, however, is the very nice barn. Maybe I'll get a better picture of it. Look at that equipment. Okay, this is my friend, Tammy. Wave at the grandkids. All right, and we have over here the animals. Chickens! See, the seagulls were bigger than them. They were. Oh my gosh, look at that big, I don't know what it is. Here's that. All right. There's a duck. They look like they got hats on. I'm making them nervous. You can't get in there. It's a fence in the way. I'm scaring the ducks. Here's a duck pile. There's
this picture, nice picture.
They really didn't want to do my amateur video, so I'm sneaking. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at that. It's like an old, it's a that. I'll come around. It's a that. And then we have a that. Ninja Turtle. Okay, there's the that. Look, Creighton. What number does it say, Creighton? It has that. Huh. Rainbow! Where? Uncle Joe says there's a rainbow. All right, let me find it. It's above the barn, grandkids. I don't know if you can see it. It goes right there. Can you see it? There's the rainbow. Can you see it there? That's where the pot of gold is, at the end of the rainbow. Usually the rainbow ends in Kauai. I'll hold still for a minute so you can see it. Now I can't see it. Okay, well, I did also want to show you this other farm equipment. Here's the other side of this. See where the driver's wheel is up there? This is actually called Ducky's Peachy Pig. Now there's a crane. I'll come in closer. There it is, there's the crane. And they also have other farm equipment. All right, well, this is the stand part. So hopefully we got some filberts. That's what we came for, is the filberts. And I'm wondering if these are filberts. I think they are. So this is the price list. You could stop it and then see how much things cost. And I'm gonna give you the eye tour, the penny tour. Okay. Oh. Well, it's one of my favorite songs. Okay, let's see. Oh, chestnuts roasting on an open fire. I might need some of them, except I can't fit them all in my suitcase. There's some real apples. $6 a dozen. I'm gonna have to go see. I don't know what those are. Low salt roasted filberts. Maybe that's what I have. And then, oh, Peachy pig honey. There's the prices. My goodness. Wow. Okay. Oh, look at this stove. That's an old stove.
We're picking filberts. You want to help?
I do want to help. We're picking filberts out here. Okay, so this is walnuts. Looks like it.
It was nice big this year. It was a good year for them.
All right, and we're going to get some filberts for the grandkids. Can you tell us anything about filbert trees, Uncle Joe?
Well, they only grow in Oregon and Germany, as far as I know. 2 places in the whole world. And
So,
they're really good for baking. You can put them in your fudge and brownies and
protein powder?
cooks. Yeah. Well, they are high in protein.
They're high in protein. Okay, well, I better do some work and help out grandkids, okay? I like that. It's a fuchsia. I had one year, but I don't have them this year. Okay, let me show you these trucks, grandkids. Oh man, don't you guys wish you were here in Oregon? You could play with these, maybe. I don't know if they let us play with it. See, we're in the barn. They're doing the work and I'm goofing around making a video. A Hawaiian Christmas tree, Uncle Joe calls it. Let me show you this. It looks like a sedum tree. Looks like a hens and chickens tree. And there's some... It is, that's really cool. Okay, grandkids, it's been about 7 minutes, so I better get to work and take some pictures. So where are we in Oregon, Joe? This is Duck's Peachy Pig Farm. In what city are we in?
We're not in a town. We're in the farm.
What's it
But
on?
We're in where the nearest town would be Corntown.
Corntown, Cornelius. All right.